Hi neighbors! Today I will show you my super simple ramen recipe for the twins gamit lang ang dalawang main ingredients. Let's go! Mahilig talaga ang kambal sa noodles and soup, lalo na sa ramen. Pero hindi sila fan ng mga toppings like egg, meat, or seaweed. Kaya instead of giving them instant noodles, or lagi na lang kami kakain sa ramen restaurant, I make this simple recipe. So first, boil your noodles according to the package instruction or hanggang maging soft and chewy. For this recipe, I use the Otogi Kagukso noodles, pero pwede rin ibang noodles na babagay sa ramen. I also have this Sukina Japanese noodles as my backup. Once cooked, strain the noodles and put it aside. Ako ay put it directly na sa bowl na kakainan nila kasi mas gusto ng kambal na nakaganyan kesa nakahalo na kaagad sa sabaw. Then for the soup, I use Churo Churo Extra Rich Tonkatsu Soup Base. Just follow the instruction, lagay mo lang sa tubig, haluin, pakuluin, and you're done. Very simple but flavorful. By the way, pwede ka rin magdagdag ng kahit anong pampalasa pa. Ako I put a little chicken powder but you can put anything if you want a little twist. And that's it! My super quick ramen style noodles and soup. Super daling gawin, budget-friendly, and love na love talaga ni Marco and Mateo. If you also want to try this recipe at home, alam nyo na kung saan hahanapin. I'll leave the link here. How about kayo? Ano ang quick noodle hack ninyo for your kids? Share your recipes in the comments. See you on our next video. Bye!